Ay, malikat ka.
Okay. Magandang gabi sa ating mga kapatid, kapuso ulit at kapamilya. Katotohanan natin ang mga nagagandahang babae noon at bukas sana hindi na. Okay. Punta tayo sa question and answer portion. Okay. Number 1, Miss Erwin Cancelao. Sorry. Kunin mo yung... song. Ang tanong, ano ang gusto mong ibon?
Thank you so much for the very nonsense question, Mr. Host. Well, ang gusto ko ng ibon ay lahat ng klaseng ibon.
Indra. Klaseng ibon.
Yung mga ibon na lip gloss, mga brush on, yung mga ibon na ibon pala.
Wonderful answer. Next, Ruby. Okay. Ang katanungan dito ay isang kaso mayor. Ang tanong, kung mayroong very good mother mayor at gagawin kang isang hayop, anong hayop ka ang bakit?
Obvious ba?
Thank you. Question Pedro is a very nice question I ever met. Okay. What's it saying about women of tomorrow? Okay.
Good evening. I do believe that the men of today will be the women of tomorrow. Therefore, I conclude that we will be the women of tomorrow.
Thank you. Ano na kaya? No? Okay, next. Luther. Okay. Question number 4. What is your citizenship? Okay.
Since my father is a Filipino and my mother is a Filipina, so therefore I conclude that I am half Filipino and half Filipina.
Okay, number 5, Lynette. Ang katanungan ay, what can you say about global warming?
question again.
Okay. What can you say about global warming?
Okay.
Question number 5 again. Parang kabayo lang ang nagsasalita. What can you say about global warming?
I need another internet.
Oh my God. Okay. Question again. What can you say about global warming?
Thank you.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Yun lang pala. Number 6. Marvin. Marvin? Marvin. Marvin. Okay. Ito ang katanungan. What is your opinion about RHB?
Thank you for that question. According to my mother, don't entertain stranger. And since that you are a stranger,
Oh my God.
I will not going to entertain you. Thank you.
Number 7. Mrs. Soner. Okay. Mom, please get. If you will die tomorrow, why not today? Okay. Oh, this question is so. Oh, if you will die tomorrow, why not today?
Because I do believe in 100 days to heaven. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so